I can't stress the importance of the CMN program to us at KU. It allows us to provide so many services that we would not be able to do otherwise. It helps us support our patients individually. It helps us run programs that support our patients and families collectively. And it allows us to support our physicians and other providers within our department in providing care for our patients.
So a lot of the things that are being done to help support the clinic, and not necessarily just the clinic, but the families, as again that to help them financially, to relieve some of the burden that comes with different surgeries and travel and procedures and durable medical equipment, things that are needed for families that insurance doesn't always like to cover.
It allows us to buy equipment that frankly we would not be able to get otherwise. For instance, equipment in the NICU that allows patients and families to communicate with each other.
It's on him too, on his crib, like it can be real close and you can see like, oh, his cannula's popped out, or his,
So much of what we do in pediatrics is not just around providing care for that condition the child has, but a holistic approach in providing care for the whole child and the whole family. And that requires resources that we wouldn't otherwise have without the support of Children's Miracle Network.
We see it kind of impact kids in allowing them an opportunity for care that they weren't going to have without CMN. So very direct to the patients, specifically getting to us, along with the fact that it helps provide a lot of resources to make whatever care they're receiving better. Also, a big part of CMN that we have seen is it really gives families and our kids a chance to go out and spread the word about CMN, cystic fibrosis, and what it means to have a chronic disease, and really give them a chance to let people know just because you have a chronic condition does not mean that you need to live in a bubble, and that you can be active and have a normal life.
We have been able to come to CMN with some of our needs and requests and things that we think would make the unit better for kids. One of my more recent projects was to get what is called the treasure tower for the unit. It's just a tower that has toys in it that kids can come pick when they've had a small procedure done, or they need something to brighten their day.
We've had a patient who comes in frequently, and every time he gets into his room, the first thing he says is, can I go to the tower? Can I go to the tower? Can I go to the tower? And it's like, okay, hold on. It's fun to be able to offer our patients those things that you can tell make it better for them in every way.
CMN in general has created this amazing atmosphere and this community involvement to kind of just pull together and like really give back to the kids that are kind of having a hard time in the hospital.
Yeah boy, I'm digging what you're doing, yeah boy. I'm trying to keep it cool, but you're making it hard. I'm wishing your arms were wrapping me up tight. Yeah boy, you're shining, you can't even tell it, yeah boy. Your eyes can make the moon jealous. If you wanna know if I wanna be a girl tonight, yeah boy.
Woo! I mean, okay.
It's a great community to be a part of. You just feel like family, you feel included. And it's really nice to be able to go to an event and know that, I'm not gonna have the only kid that's different. And thankfully at this point, Brandon's really healthy and doing really good. But it's really nice to be able to see all the other families and to just have that camaraderie that you feel whenever you're part of a group that makes you feel included.
This past year, we have spent more time in the hospital, at doctors, and traveling than we have at home. And that's very isolating. It makes it very hard to have a social support system. It's provided a group of people that even if we don't know them well, we know that they're there. CMN's not just about raising money. It's about having a network. It's about a network of people that care. It's about a network of people who are working together. It's about a network of people who, because they've come together, are so much stronger than the strength of their parts.